When discussing New Year's resolutions, what do they mean to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Today, I'm going to share 7 actionable resolutions to level up your English level. Don't be mistaken, these are the excuses that you need to say goodbye to, and here's what you need to do instead. Number 1, build your vocabulary. Learn 10 new words every week and apply it in your everyday communications. Number 2, practice speaking every day. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes each day to speaking English. Number 3, write daily. Write a short journal or blog post in English every day, focusing on new vocabulary and improving your grammar. Number 4, listen to English daily. Listen to English podcasts or videos for 30 minutes each day. Start with subtitles and then progress to without subtitles. Number 5, master grammar basics. Learn 1 grammar point each week and practice with exercises and apply it in your everyday conversations. That's monthly goals. Set a SMART goal, track your progress, and reward yourself for your achievement. Lastly, immerse yourself in English. Participate in online English forums, groups, or language learning apps. Let's make 2025 the year that you conquer your English learning goals. Join our Facebook community with over 1,000 members around the world. Connect with us on YouTube and TikTok for access to hundreds of English lessons covering grammar and other essential language skills. Share your thoughts about this resolution in the comments below. Until then, take care and I look forward to seeing you next year. Bye!